Olá, my name is Robertson, I'm from Brazil.
Hello guys, my name is Robertson and I am from Brazil.
I'm learning English because I want to work with aviation, so it's very important to speak good English.
Why was I learning English? And I said, I'm learning English because I want to work in aviation.
The important thing for me is dedicate your mind when you learn English.
I studied at Speak Up London for almost 2 years.
I'm enjoying this experience here at Speak Up London, so I remember this for the rest of my life.
And here I am now. I work for one of the biggest airlines in the world for 2 years as a cabin crew. And I wouldn't be able to do this without Speak Up London. So I just want to say thank you, all the teachers, the staff that made this happen. And I miss you guys. Bye!